What's up guys, happy holidays and welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. In today's video, we're back with another wig installation, and today we'll be working with Ashimary hair. They did change their packaging and I love this color so much. This is their new upgraded packaging. And they did send us a lot of gifts as well. We did receive some holiday nails. We also received a robe from them. We got a melting band. We did receive a wig cap as well. So the wig we're installing today is their 18-inch 5x5 HD lace wig. And this one is already fully customized. It's a super quick grab and go unit. It's already fully customized for us, pre-cut, and everything was pretty much done to the unit. As you can see, it has a really nice plucked hairline, that bleached knots, and everything was done. It also comes with the adjustable band. Of course, they have their brand name in there as well that says Ashimary hair. This is the unit. I love doing closer units because I feel like they're just super fast, super easy to install, especially when they come fully customized. Like, it's just a 5-minute grab and go unit. So let's move along to the install. I will be leaving the link down below for those of you who want to purchase this unit. Make sure you check out my description to see if I have any discount codes down there. I'm just gonna go ahead and move right along to the install. So I will be putting on the wig cap that they sent for us. So for my closure units, I like to just take out a little bit of my natural hair just so it can act as edges for my closure units. I feel like it's just super pretty, and when you pull your hair back, it looks super natural. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of it out just to make some baby hair on my hair to give it a more natural feel. So now that we did that, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Normally when I get like pre-cut laces, I still have to cut a little bit off. So I don't know if that's the case with this unit. So let's go ahead, put that on and see if we need to cut anything off. Sometimes it's just like a little bit that needs to be cut off. And I don't know, let's see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the band a little bit more. I like to feel like my wig is secured, especially if I'm doing like a glueless install. I wanna make sure that my wig is like super fitted to my head. I don't wanna be questioning if my wig is gonna fall off. So I always make sure to adjust the band. Guys, so I must say this wig feels so good on my head. Like, it is just fitted, and I love when my closure units just fitted to my head. I love how silky this unit is. The texture is super soft. I love how it is. I can just run my fingers through and it is given. So this is what the hairline looks like. As I said, I still need to cut a little bit off the lace to give it a more natural feel. So let's go ahead and do that. They did cut it in zigzag for us, so we're just gonna go ahead and keep that same zigzag to give it a more natural look. But this is it. Overall, I love it. I could definitely wear it like this, just apply a little bit of foundation, but I like to cut it a little bit more just so it blends better. So this is totally fine. But for me, I like to cut a little bit more off of my laces to make sure that it's blended. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I just cut the excess lace off. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my unit. I will be applying a little bit of my bronzer around the hairline and then flat iron the unit. I feel like I want to do a nice layered cut with this unit because it's a straight wig. I feel like I just want to add a little bit more to it, so I'm just going to give it a nice layered cut and finish up my unit. But this is it. So let's go ahead and finish this up. Okay guys, this is the final look. The unit is super pretty. I love how gorgeous this unit is. Super soft. I love how silky this unit is. The texture is just superb, and I love that it is completely glueless, but it gives us a really natural look. This is the final look. This unit was super easy to install. I love that it gave us a flawless finish. This is it. Again, this unit is from Ashimary here. This is their 18-inch 5x5 HD lace wig, and this unit is giving us a really pretty, gorgeous finish. It is giving us a fresh sewing, taping, but it's not giving a wig right now. I love how this turned out. If you want to get this unit, go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. And to get any other products from Ashimary here, their website is also in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the final look. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this install. And most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video. Happy holidays.